Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will guide you on how to install MovieBox app in Android TV. Follow the steps below. Step 1. Turn on Android TV. Make sure your TV is powered on and connected to the internet. Step 2. Go to Settings. Open Settings, Security and Restrictions. Step 3. Allow unknown sources. Enable Install unknown apps for your browser or file manager. Step 4. Open Browser. Launch the built-in browser on your Android TV. Step 5. Search MovieBox APK. Type MovieBox APK download in the search bar. Step 6. Download the APK. Select the file and wait for the download to finish. Step 7. Install MovieBox. Open the downloaded file and tap Install. Step 8. Launch MovieBox. Go back to your apps list and open MovieBox on your TV. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching.